original A7 hasn't evolved much since its debut in 2012, save for a couple of facelifts here and there. Today, that changes. The 2019 A7 has been fully redesigned with Audi's new corporate fascia, along with a heap of new tech features from the recently unveiled A8. Despite all the updates to the front and rear, the new A7 keeps its signature tapered rear end and hatchback trunk opening. Overall, the car measures 16.9 feet long, 6.3 feet wide, and 4.7 feet tall, emphasizing a sporty character, according to Audi. As in the previous A7, an automatic pop-up spoiler raises at speeds over 74 miles per hour. The wheels shown in these pictures measure 21 inches in diameter. The rear taillights are now connected via a continuous light bar that runs across the rear of the hatch, just like on the new A8. Audi says it's completely revamped the A7's chassis, with newly developed front and rear axles, an optional self-leveling adaptive rear suspension, and standard variable four-wheel steering. At speeds under 37 miles per hour, the rear wheels turn the opposite direction of the front to promote maneuverability, and above, they turn in the same direction for optimal stability. Also available is a rear sport differential, said to work along with the rest of the car's electronics to distribute the work to the rear wheels for maximum performance. One of the biggest updates is in the interior. Audi's ditched the rotary push-button controls for its infotainment system in favor of two vertically stacked touchscreens angled towards the driver. The 10.1 upper screen controls things like the radio and navigation, while the lower 8.6-inch unit is used for controlling climate control and text input. Like pretty much every new Audi these days, the gauge cluster has been replaced with its excellent virtual cockpit, which can display full Google Maps navigation info along with the speedometer, tach, and basically anything else you need to know. Audi. The new A7 will launch with the 3.0-liter turbocharged TFSI V6 making 340 horsepower and 369 pounds-foot of torque, combined with the 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission. With this engine, the A7 can get from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds, and has a top speed of 155 miles per hour in Europe. Audi's new numerical badging system makes this the A7 55. But US models will not receive Audi's new numerical badging, according to Autoblog's Joe Stockdale. Every new A7 will come equipped with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, utilizing a belt alternator starter and a lithium-ion battery to develop 12 kW of energy under braking. Audi says at speeds between 34 miles per hour and 99 miles per hour, the A7 will shut its engine off when coasting to save fuel. Production of the 2018 A7 will start in February. US pricing has yet to be revealed.